To finish the Wild Collection challenge, you need to catch 10 different Pokémon. If you're short on time or your local area isn't exactly a biodiversity hotspot, it can feel a bit daunting. MagFone Location Changer can tackle this efficiently. What I like to do is find an area that's known for having a great variety of spawns. For this, I decided to virtually explore Yoyogi Park in Tokyo, a location famous for its diverse Pokémon populations. Two-spot movement lets me set a starting point and a destination. The software then automatically creates a walking route between them. This means my avatar is constantly moving along a realistic path, which is perfect because it helps me encounter more Pokémon naturally, just like I was actually walking through the park. It also keeps my incense active at its most effective rate, dramatically increasing the spawns around me. And the best part? I could set a specific movement speed that's ideal for hatching eggs at the same time. So, while I'm focused on spotting those 10 unique Pokémon for the challenge, I'm also making steady progress on my eggs. With MagFone's help, you can complete the entire Wild Collection challenge in just a few focused minutes. Because it simulates a real path, there is no risk of being banned. If you're ever pressed for time or just want to experience the game in a different way, exploring location-based features can really open up new possibilities.